The set of Correctors modifier. Yellow with a warm undertone. Orange with a warm undertone. Green with a cool undertone. Red-orange with a warm undertone. Light orange with a warm undertone. Red with a warm undertone. Ochre yellow with a warm undertone. Hybrid organic pigments for eyebrow correction. Hybrid organic pigments for use on the lips. Fully inorganic pigments for eyebrow correction. Use only with the Brovi One line. When working with violet residue, as well as Fitzpatrick phototypes 5 and 6, use the yellow corrector. When working with gray residue, we use the orange corrector. When working with red, salmon, and pink residues, use the green corrector. When working with green residues, use the red-orange corrector. To lighten any shade from the Brovi One line, use the ochre yellow corrector. To warm up any shade from the Brovi One line, we use the red corrector. When working with cool-toned lips, use light orange. Always remember that cover-up work is more complex and may require not just 1, but 2 or 3 touch-ups. When working with dense residue, I recommend performing one color correction procedure and letting the client heal. And in the future, you will be able to use the colors you need. When working with faint negative residue, you can work in layers within a single procedure.